Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix like your Razer BlackShark V2 mic is not working. So you might be facing this issue like you bought new headphones and you're facing this issue. So how can you fix this? So the first thing is just go to the search bar from your Windows, or you can just click on Windows, and from here just click on settings or search here like search update. And once you click on update, you can click on check on updates. And if you do not want to go by this method, so just click on Windows and from here click on settings and just click here Windows updates. And once you're in the window update, so make sure like your window is up to date, and if it has any updates, so just download the updates. And once you have downloaded the updates, your issue will be fixed. And if not, so from here just like search here device manager and go to device manager. And once you open device manager, from here in this section, like when you are here, you will be seeing this option called audio inputs and outputs. So just open it, and from here just choose the microphone of the headset. And once you find the microphone, as I have not attached it, so you will be seeing a different microphone here. So just click on it, and from here just click on like uninstall device. So this will basically uninstall your drivers of your microphone. And once uninstalled, so just simply restart your device like your PC or laptop, and once you restart it, it will be automatically reinstalled, and after that your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix your like Razer BlackShark V2 mic is not working.